What's your name?
My name is Tony.
Okay, so Tony, how old are you? I'm
5.
okay. What color do you like?
Green.
Okay, green. How are you today?
Good.
Okay, that's good. What shape is it?
A circle.
Very good. What shape is it?
A square.
What shape is it?
A rectangle.
What shape is it?
Diamond.
Okay. What shape is it?
It's an oval.
What shape is it?
Map.
It's a...
Hat.
Okay. What shape is it?
It's a triangle.
What shape is it?
It's a star.
Okay, now, what shape is the window? Is the door?
It's a rectangle.
What shape is the donut?
It's a circle.
What shape is the pizza?
It's a triangle.
What shape is the window?
It's a square.
What shape is the sun?
It's a circle.
What shape is the egg?
It's an oval.
Well, what letter is it? Letter?
S.
Okay, S is for?
Sheep.
S is for?
Sun.
Very good. Letter?
T.
T is for?
Toy.
T is for?
Turtle.
Okay. Letter?
U.
U is for?
Umbrella.
U is for?
Unicorn.
Okay. Letter? Letter? V. V is for?
Violet.
V is for? Okay. What letter is it? Double?
U.
What? W.
W.
Okay, W is for? Wo.
Well.
W is for?
Walk.
Okay. What letter is it?
S.
X is for? X. Okay, X is for?
Wonderful.
Okay. High five. Thank you. High five. Okay.